Hey there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an SPF record, which is a type of DNS that prevents email spoofing, which is very important to add if you're sending emails from your website in order for your emails to actually end up in the email and not in the spam folder. So in order to do that, you're going to your Wix dashboard. Here I have my Wix editor. I'm going to easily click on go to dashboard, and once you are on your dashboard, you're going to click on the top of the page on your profile. Now do not forget that in order to add an SPF record, you have to buy the upgraded version of Wix, because you're gonna have to buy a domain. So you cannot do this unless you have a domain. Now in my case, I do not have a domain yet. I did not buy one yet, so I'm still just going to show you how to add the SPF record. So once you click on your profile, it opens up in this page. Now initially it's going to open in account settings, so what you're going to click on is domains. Now do not forget, in order to open this, you have to have a domain. If you don't, it's going to show that you have to buy a domain. Anyways, so once you open this page, you have the domain here. You're going to find the name of your website and the domain right here. Now you're going to click on these three buttons at the end of this line. Now these three buttons, you're going to scroll down until you find manage DNS records. Until you find manage DNS records. You're going to click on manage DNS records, which will open to this page. Now these don't actually interest us, so you're going to scroll down until you find text and SPF. Now you'd think that you're going to add your SPF record in SPF, but that's not actually how it works. You need to add it in the text, because the mail servers look for the SPF record in as a text file. So you need to add it as a text file. So in order to add it, I'm not sure if this is actually very visible. Okay, I hope it is visible. So what you get is usually your host name, so the name of your website. You get the value. Now this is the important part. This is the code that you need in order to allow which email servers to send emails on behalf of your domain. Now this value, you can usually find it depending on the email server that you're going to send your emails from. So for example, I'm going to show you Google. You can find other values using ChatGPT or whatever. And then we have the TTL, which is time to live, which is not really that important. It's just the time in order to refresh your records. So here I'm going back right here, and I'm just going to show you, for example, the value of Google. For example, in the value, so you're going to copy this. You can find it on Google. You can ask ChatGPT for the SPF records. So this is the value, which is SPF1 includes spf.google.com, which will help prevent email spoofing. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.